Changing the language in the Google Calendar app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Google Calendar app. Launch the Google Calendar app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select settings from the menu options. Step 3. Select your account. In the settings menu, you will see a list of your accounts. Tap on the account for which you want to change the language. Step 4. Change language. Look for the language option within the account settings. Tap on it and choose your desired language from the list provided. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the Google Calendar app completely and then reopen it. The app should now display in the language you selected. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Google Calendar app to suit your needs. Enjoy using your calendar in your preferred language.